Good afternoon. I'm here at Divine Master Parish and Our Lady of Guadalupe. My mom decided to check out a church, and we're here praying. We're gonna pray. Yeah, I pray. Um, and this is what the church looked like. Yeah, gonna enter. Take my hat off. Hello, world. I am back at it again in Tijuana, Mexico. So, I am enjoying a salad. This is a mixture of strawberries, cheese, and some tangy sauce. It's pretty good, I must say. Anyhow, I have been receiving some business inquiries to my real estate email. I will leave my email address for any business inquiries pertaining to collaborations, product review, hey, maybe sponsorship, who knows? Hit me up at info@kadeers.tv. Once again, info@kadeers.tv. Pay.
Ese menú que tienen en la mano, parece una leyenda. ¿Está bien? ¿Sí?
¿Qué es eso? ¿Es sopa? ¿Qué es eso?
Ah, es consomé de camarón.
Oh. Camarón. It's shrimp sauce. Shrimp. Matapos mo yung sandwich mo. Sarap din. Kala ko hindi masarap. Sí.
Gracias. Vaya bien.
All right, we just finished eating at Cafe Love. Cafe Love. Here in Tijuana, Mexico. It was good food, good service. I had pasta with the white sauce. My mom had turkey sandwich. The salad that went with it. I advise you guys get the salad. It was good. The salad contained bits and pieces of strawberry, pecan, and cottage cheese, and some sauce, a little sweet, tangy sauce. It's good for the most part. So I give it a thumbs up. Good service, good food, good ambience. Till next time, y'all. Peace.